Hi, I'm Edmund Rouillet from Coldwell Banker, and I'd like to introduce you to your new oasis in the desert. A spectacular sweeping view of the golf course, pond, and the mountains from this 1,440 square foot home. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, open floor plan, with vaulted ceilings where indoor and outdoor living combine with 2 huge 60-foot private patios, perfect for entertaining those special guests. And a garage in a no-ball zone. Welcome to the Tri-Palms Estates, a golf and tennis over 55 community in Thousand Palms, California. All in the world-famous Coachella Valley. Enjoy all the amenities from the convenience of the 13th hole of the executive Tri-Palms golf course, including 2 free unlimited golf memberships, which include the 9th hole par 3 course as well. Enjoy the 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools, 2 jacuzzis, lighted tennis courts, shuffleboard, pickleball, and live entertainment. Men and women's social and golf clubs, public and private meeting rooms. Not to mention free storage for your RV in Tri-Palms Estates. Has it all. This is a community of manufactured homes, but rare in its beautiful landscaped grounds and very well maintained neighborhood. And you own your own land. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the best location. Location. Minutes to Palm Desert, Rancho Mirage, La Quinta, Cathedral City, and Palm Springs. At home in the desert, your new oasis. Away from city life to the new normal of the desert. Where living like a billionaire does not take a billionaire's bank account. The homeowner's fees are only $290 per month. Shopping surrounds you from Home Depot, Walmart, Sam's Club, Costco, and the chic shops and restaurants of El Paseo, Coachella Valley's Rodeo Drive. Call me, Edmund Rouillet, and I will introduce you to your own oasis in the desert.